Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share a kit that I saw on Amy Plans Things video. And I actually wanted to do a series where I create a creative journal, which this journal I'll be using for scripture writing or journaling. And I wanted to decorate it, but I want to share the process with you. So this kit is on Amazon actually for $11.99. When I purchased it, it was $12.99. I got it a few months ago, but it is such a good deal because you get this nice um, line grid book, and it's A6 size, and it is so cute. So this is the cover, then the cover does come off. And that's what it looks like, but the paper is really good. So when I start this series, I will be sharing like the different pens and things like that. So in the beginning, I'm going to strictly be using just the items in the kit. Like I said, right now it's $12.99. They actually have different types of, they call them gift sets. But I wanted to, I know a lot of people do junk journals as well, but I figured for $11.99, you know, with everything getting so expensive, why not show and share how you can actually have a creative journal on a budget just from Amazon for $12. So I'm going to share what's in the kit. Amy Plans Things also shared what was in the kit, but I just want to share really quick. And I am eventually going to use more products, like I have gelatos and watercolors and other stickers. But in my first part of my creative journey, just to show you how you can create so much with one kit, I'm just going to be using strictly this kit. So I'm going to show you. I mean, because you can even use this. This comes right off. So this can, like, you can use this as like kind of a side border or whatever. So, I mean, you can use, yeah, it's a really nice kit. I kind of just did an overview of it. I also got a coffee, the coffee theme one, which sadly that one's not available, but they do have other available kits on Amazon. So you get these, they call it like memo little cards, and they are actually textured. Very nice. So, yep. They have this, it says to-do list. So see, they even have a to-do list. And it also has, oh, that's cute. It almost looks like old style, like I guess like a receipt, or I guess, or a record. It says record, so just whatever date type. And it's white on the back, but I like it because it's a nice texture. So you get that and this. On the back, let's see. No, it doesn't say. So when you go online, it'll say like how many of these are you get with the kit. So yes, you do get quite a few. So you get that. Then you get these little, looks like die cuts or ephemera. And I wanted to do like a nature style theme. Coco Daisy also came out with like a more nature theme. So I thought this would just go perfect, and I will have like a journal all set up with borders and washi and all that. But once again, I wanted to show how I can use, share how I'm going to use this kit with just in the beginning, just these products. So here's this, and I'll do a quick overview. Little tags, so you can punch holes in that. And it's funny how I am unboxing this on Earth Day. Somebody reminded me it was Earth Day today. Oh, that's pretty. That's cute. That kind of reminds me of a Sterling Ink. They came out with like a pear theme. See, and this is even cheaper than all those subscription kits. Wow, you get so much in it. Another tag. Oh, I like the lemon. It's cute. I like the different fruit on there. Oh, that's cute. All right. You also get washi, and Amy plans things with saying how the washi, yeah, it doesn't stick very well, but that's easy. You could just put glue it on. Oh, it's quite a bit. Oh, and it's all different. Wow, up until like right there. So you even get washi tape. Just put this to the side, and then you even get 2 pockets. These are so cute. Wow. Okay. And then you get stickers. So here's the stickers. You get so much in this kit. So here's like, it looks like stamps. These look like they're translucent. They are. Wow. Stickers. More stamps. Ooh, I like that. Fruit and flowers. And then this is kind of like the vellum. Wow, this is very cute. Such a cute kit. Look at the butterflies and the flowers, the envelope. Oh, there's the lemon. Flowers, leaves. Wow. And then you get vellum. So this looks like it's like, this looks like a story. Then the vintage style page. There's a butterfly. Oh my goodness, that's a huge butterfly. I don't know if I'm gonna use that one. I'll probably give that to my boys. That is just way too big for me. Flowers, plants. And then these are like strips. You can either keep them together or cut them apart. So, well, you probably would need to at least, well, you could, if you want to cut like the top and bottom half. You can even make bookmarks. You can see it okay. Lots of like little stories. Looks like, this is November. But it's kind of, yeah, it has that whimsical. Well, flowers. Oh, this is nice. I like these. They're like, not tags, but why can't I think of the word? Like, okay, I just went blank, but you know, paper you write on. That. Then more little stories, whimsical style. Do I want to say ledger? No. I guess some of it's kind of like ledger. But this looks almost like those tags you put on a letter. Oh, this says stay postcard. And then, oh, I like that. Butterflies. Oh, I'm not a big fairy person, but I guess that's like the fairy. Oh, these are fairies. Oh, butterfly fairy. Okay, that's different. Yeah. And then more flowers, and then the script. Yep. All right. And then these are just like papers. Um, not cardstock. Scrapbook paper. Almost like it's probably as like printer paper. But I like it because it all feels like it has like a texture. Flowers and berries. And then, oh, there is one more, strawberries. This is nice too because you can like tell a story with that too if you have a garden. And then last but not least, this is like a scrapbook paper. So it looks like you could cut that up or keep it all more like when, oh. Wow. Okay. That's different. I like this page. And then I like this one too. This is almost like, out of the two, these are my favorite. Yeah. So I mean, like I said, for $11.99, you cannot beat that. So I will have a little series. I'll do a couple of pages with strictly this kit. I may do like maybe 5 double-sided pages, and then I will incorporate some other things. Like I said, I have gelatos. I have these stickers that I got for like $1.24 at Hobby Lobby. And then I have my Cocoa Daisy kit. Oh, and I also, watercolors. I got these from Cocoa Daisy years ago. So it's just like just regular watercolors. And I have Tombows as well. But this Flow magazine I received when I was at PlannerCon Europe in 2019. And they gave us this magazine. So I may even incorporate some things in here, from here, there. And then also this was an In Touch. Well, this is May's In Touch, but I like how it has the grass. If you ever want these, you can go on their website. It's like Daily Devotional, and they have these for free too as well, and they'll send this to you. So I look forward to this little mini series that I'm going to be doing in my creative journal, and there are tons of pages. I don't know how many pages. Yeah, it's in Chinese, so I can't understand it, but if you go online, oh, this is A6 size. So I actually found a Chic Sparrow cover. This is called Tiffany, and I figured I would put this in here. I have not really used this cover. They considered it, I guess, like a Tiffany blue. I almost sold it, but I decided to use it with this journal because I feel like it complements. And then I have like, I didn't, when I ordered it, it was like a limited edition, so I was like hurrying real quick so I didn't get the holes. I don't even know if that was an option to get the holes on the back. So I have this Foxy Fix band, and then, yep. So I look forward to this creative time with you, and please stay tuned, and yeah, once again, if you want to purchase one and play along, you can, or if not, just enjoy where you're at and even use your stash. But I did want to share a very inexpensive inexpensive um, journaling kit that they have on Amazon. So thanks so much for stopping by. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.